కేంద్రం సూచనలతో కరోనా కేసులను నియంత్రించగలిగామన్నారు ఏపీ సీఎం జగన్. ప్రధాని మోడీ నిర్వహించిన వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో పాల్గొన్న జగన్ దేశంలో సాధారణ పరిస్థితులు తీసుకురావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు. ప్రజల్లో కరోనాపై మరింత అవగాహన కల్పించాలన్నారు. వైద్య విధానంలోనూ మార్పులు తీసుకురావాలని సూచించారు. ఏపీని కేంద్రం ఆదుకోవాలని కోరారు సీఎం జగన్. సూక్ష్మ మధ్య తరహా పరిశ్రమలను కాపాడుకునేందుకు 6 నెలల వడ్డీ మాఫీ ఇవ్వాలన్నారు. దీర్ఘకాలిక చెల్లింపుల ప్రాతిపదికన రుణాలు ఇవ్వాలన్నారు. ప్రజలు సాధారణ జీవితం గడిపేలా చర్యలు తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని, రాష్ట్రాల మధ్య రవాణాకు అడ్డంకులు తొలగించాలని కోరారు.
Sir, with 3,253 tests carried out per million population, Andhra Pradesh stands exemplary, sir. With 1.14% positivity rate, Andhra Pradesh has one of the least positivity rates in India, sir. And our mortality rate with 45 deaths stands at 2.27%. 3 rounds of syndromic survey have already been completed in our state, and approximately 30,000 people have been identified as vulnerable by our volunteers, ASHA workers, and ANMs. And we have tested all these cases as well, sir. Sir, having said all these, sir, however, after 6 weeks of lockdown, we need to look back at what we have learned and how we need to move further. Sir, in my experience handling COVID response in my state, I strongly believe that, sir, first and foremost, if we need to get back to normalcy, the stigma over corona positive persons has to end, sir. Until and unless this fear and this stigma ends, we will not move forward. Corona has been made into such a stigmatic subject that families with persons who are positive are facing severe problems of social ostracization, sir. This has resulted in people not coming forward to report symptoms, which defeats the entire purpose of testing and identifying infected people. That we require a major overhaul of the health system, sir. So during COVID response, we were able to ramp up the hospital beds and ICU beds to a good level, sir. But we need to improve them much further, sir. Sir, major reforms in the health system from village level to the highest teaching hospitals in the state should be the need of the hour going forward, sir. To set up a clinic in each village in the state with staff deployed on a 24/7 basis, sir. Taking up new medical colleges, one at least for every parliamentary constituency, sir. Sir, I'm just pressing on this point as parliamentary constituency because that is a more uniform figure, because every state has got different sizes of the districts, sir. So as to make the doctors and nurses available in adequate numbers, sir. So the hospitals at every tier should also be totally revamped to bring them to national standards, sir. Sir, our health infrastructure at village level should be strengthened in such a way that if any person is having any symptoms, they should be in a position to access the village clinics, get an advice, followed by treatment, sir. Similarly, sir, we need to keep our villages and towns clean, sir. This requires a major pumping of funds to the local bodies to maintain cleanliness and ensure that environment in both urban and rural areas are clean and hygiene. This is very much in line with your ideals, sir, of Swachh Bharat.